Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the plot rank versus runtime. Previously we had seen how you can plot rank versus revenue, but this time we are gonna plot rank versus runtime. So as usual, we need to first see our the data frame movies.head, and now I'm just gonna see here one line. In this you have here a rank and you have here runtime minutes. So these two we are going to see here with our line plot. Other than that, we will be also seeing about the ratings and the odds, and then I'll be showing you how you can plot the multiple plots together. So all these are gonna happen here in this lecture. Let's go ahead and move ahead. Start with our figure sizing. So I say here plt dot figure, and inside that I need to provide here a fig size. Inside this fig size I need to provide here a tuple. So in this tuple I say here 10 cross 6. Other than that, let's say 10 cross 3. Now you see there will be a figure which will be shown there once we do a plot there. So plt dot plot, and then I'm passing here move age. Inside that I'm passing here rank, so it's going to be x-axis, and then similarly I'm saying here move age, and then I'm gonna pass here runtime minutes. This is going to be y-axis. Let's go ahead and run this. Now you see there is the x-axis and there is the y-axis. It says that there are total top 50 movies ranked from 1 to 50, and these are saying that the total runtime in minutes. So now you see there those movies which are ranked higher are kind of like 120 minutes or a little less are higher, and I don't see any other patterns other than that. Mostly the movies are the concentrated around 120, and then some goes above like 150 160, and some comes down something like 80 and the 90 minutes as well. So there is no clear pattern rank versus runtime. So if we might have had some patterns, something like linear or some non-linear things, it seems like some random patterns here. So we don't have any patterns here. Let's go ahead and try to see that if we have any patterns versus in rank versus rating. So I can simply do here plt.plot, and then I say here move age, then again there is the rank, and in the y-axis I pass here move age, and then there I pass here odds. Alright, now you see there once again there these movies which are ranked high, so those have very high odds there. All right, what I can do there, I need to just comment this one so that it will plot here only one plot. Now you see there these movies are having the very high vote here, the movies which are ranked high. Let's go ahead and try to see about the Metascore. So there we have the plt.plot movies rank, and then here I have the Metascore. Let's go ahead and plot this. Once again I see here some kind of random distribution in the Metascore. So these Metascore represents that the ratings coming from good critics or very well-known critics. Alright, so once again there is kind of randomness in the Metascore as well. There were some missing values in the Metascore which we had filled with the 0 in our previous lectures. Alright, other than that we don't see here much patterns between the rank versus runtime, odds and Metascore. So with this we can conclude that the rank is not dependent in any way to runtime, odds or the Metascore. Anyway, the odds are definitely a rank where the movies which gets a good rating, so those might get high rank. But again, these number of votes doesn't say that the movies will be high ranked, because there could be a negative votes and the positive votes as well. So something like that, these things doesn't exactly say that how the rank is going to be influenced by these three parameters. Alright, this is all about in this lesson. I'll see you in next one.